back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ari J, that's J-A-Y, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and testing out my She's Birdie alarm. If you do not know what She's Birdie is, it's a company. They sell like alert alarms for women or men. You attach it to your keys as a keychain. Hopefully you never have to use it, but if you are in a situation where someone is following you or someone is attempting to harass you, you pull the pin on the alarm and it makes a really loud sound and it's supposed to draw attention to you. So I ordered one for myself because as I ride my bike and stuff to work, so you just never know what you're gonna need. So let's go ahead and start unboxing. So first it comes in this box, and then everything is kind of like wrapped up in this blue paper. And inside of this box is this, which is where the actual alarm is. You get the keychain to hang it on your keys. And I think this is really cool actually because Birdie is like engraved on there. And this unscrews so that you can hook it onto your alarm. So let's go ahead and open up the alarm. If you know me, you already know what color it is. My favorite shade of blue. Like an aqua mint color. So I'm gonna go ahead and hook this onto here. I think that's how it's supposed to go. I'll figure it out. All right. Now, before we get to testing it, I'm going to show you everything else that came in the box. So first, with the alarm comes like an instruction manual on how to use it. So there's a top pin that you pull out. The top pin, the light, and then the speaker is on the back. So when you pull the pin, this light flashes and then the sound comes out of this speaker, and you're supposed to point it towards the offender so that it's really loud and distracting to them. It will emit a 130 dB, piercing 130 dB sound, and the light will flash. Keep the speaker uncovered and face it towards your target. To stop the alarm, replace the top pin and put it back into the body. Also, they give you this cute little sticker. It says hashtag chirp loudly, Birdie, shebirdie.com. And if you guys are interested in buying this, I want to say I paid about $28 maybe for this. It didn't take long at all. I want to say I ordered it about a week ago and it just came today. So basically this is just telling you like thank you for purchasing, welcome to the flock. And also on my receipt, okay, yeah, I paid $28 with shipping, $33. There was no sales tax. So it says thank you for your order and welcome to the flock. A percentage of this purchase goes to our partner organizations that passionately support women's safety, shelter, and health. While we hope you never have to use it, practice with it now. So, like they said, a percentage of every purchase made on the website goes to help women who need shelter, health, anything that like women need, pads, things like that to help out women who are truly in need. So I'm really glad that I got to be a part of that in some way, shape, and form. So yeah, this is my She Birdie alarm, color Aqua. If you want to get this color, the color is Aqua. I'm actually gonna go get my keys and put it on now because y'all, it matches my keys perfectly. Hold on. All right, y'all, so these are my keys. My little AirPod case. So everything matches perfectly. So this is gonna fit right in, obviously. So I'm gonna go ahead and clip that on to the rest of my keys. So it's really aesthetically pleasing. I think I'm gonna move it eventually, just because I like my keys to look a certain way, but Yeah, so it fits in really nicely with everything else I already have going on my keys. All right, so the moment you all have been waiting for, let's go ahead and test these. I'm gonna take this off. So we're just gonna go ahead and test this to show you guys how loud it gets and what it does when you pull the pin. So this top part again is the pin. There's a light that's gonna flash, and then there's a speaker on the back. So let's go ahead and try it. Whew. Okay, so that was loud. Which is really good because this is actually, like, I feel like this would genuinely draw attention to you in that kind of situation where you would need to use it. And the pin wasn't easily pullable. It was easy enough to where if I needed to do it really quick, it would get done. But it wasn't easy that if I fling my keys the wrong way, it's just gonna go flying and sound and lights. It wasn't that easy, but it was easy enough that if I actually needed to use it, I would be able to use it in that kind of situation. So yeah, honestly, I recommend this product. I just got it today, so I obviously haven't had to use it in a situation like that, so I can't tell you the reactions, and I'm not gonna go try it in a public place because that's not the point of the alarm. The point is, if you need help, you pull it. I don't want to do any false alarms because I'm not the girl who cried wolf, okay? If I actually need this, I want people to come to my aid, okay? All right, so yeah, that is my unboxing and testing of the She's Birdie alarm. I will have the link to these alarms in the bio if you're interested in buying them. Honestly, I feel safer already knowing that I have it and that I know how to use it, and testing it really made me feel confident that when it's time to use it, I will know exactly what to do and exactly what to expect. So if you're interested in this, just go ahead and get it, especially if you're a woman in these times. Just go ahead and do it. When it's needed, it will be worth it. Better to have it than not to have it, pretty much. All right, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.